Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw Bitcoin from your Phantom wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your BTC in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Phantom Wallet app and the Uphold platform set up on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for managing your crypto, and Uphold is a secure exchange for storing and trading assets. Always double-check that your accounts are verified and secure to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select Bitcoin from your list of assets. You'll see your current BTC balance. Great job on building that up. Next, head over to Uphold. Log in to your account and go to the wallet section. Here, you'll need to generate or copy your Bitcoin deposit address. This is crucial, so make sure you're copying the exact address to prevent any errors. Pro tip: Uphold might require two-factor authentication for added security, so enable that if you haven't already. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, tap on the Send or Withdraw option for your Bitcoin. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of BTC you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network fees. Bitcoin transactions can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. This includes the address, amount, and any memos if required. Once you're good, approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so go ahead and verify it with your wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. Bitcoin transactions typically take 10 to 30 minutes to confirm, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Uphold account to see when the funds arrive. If it's your first time, celebrate that successful transfer. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way from Phantom to Uphold. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay informed and secure your assets. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.